Hello and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that can have a big impact on businesses: commercial lease rent reviews. If you're a tenant or landlord, understanding how rent reviews work is essential to protect your finances and avoid disputes. A commercial lease rent review is a process built into many long-term leases that allows the landlord to adjust the rent periodically. This usually happens every few years, depending on the terms of the lease. The idea is simple: to ensure that the rent remains fair and reflects the current market value of the property. While the concept sounds straightforward, the process can be complex, and it's important to know your rights and obligations. The first thing to understand is how the new rent is determined. Most leases specify that the rent should reflect the market rent at the review date. This means the amount a willing tenant would pay for a similar property in the same area under similar conditions. Market rent is assessed objectively, often taking into account recent transactions, the location, the condition of the property, and other relevant factors. Tenants should be aware that a rent review can result in either an increase or, in some cases, a decrease, although decreases are less common. The lease will usually set out the procedure for conducting the review, including timelines, notice requirements, and whether an independent surveyor or valuer can be appointed if the parties cannot agree. Understanding this procedure is crucial because missing a deadline or failing to follow the correct process can affect your rights. Negotiation plays a key role in rent reviews. Even if the lease specifies a market rent, there is often room to discuss the valuation and the factors considered. Tenants and landlords may present evidence such as comparable rents, changes in the property market, or specific circumstances affecting the property. In many cases, having professional advice from a solicitor or surveyor ensures that your position is presented clearly and that any disagreements are resolved fairly. Another important point is the timing of rent payments. Once the new rent is agreed or determined, it typically takes effect from the review date. Some leases include provisions for backdating the payment if agreement is reached after the review date, which can be a significant consideration for tenants budgeting for ongoing expenses. At Blackstone Solicitors, we will guide clients through every stage of the commercial lease rent review process. We review lease terms, advise on strategy, and help negotiate with landlords or tenants to achieve a fair outcome. Our goal is to ensure that clients understand their rights, avoid disputes, and manage their financial commitments effectively. In summary, a commercial lease rent review is a mechanism to adjust rent to reflect current market conditions. It is an important feature of long-term leases and can have a significant financial impact. With careful planning, professional advice, and a clear understanding of your lease, the process can be managed smoothly and fairly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.